Hello my dear students, today we will learn sums from basic proportionality theorem. Exercise 6a, question number 2 and 3. Ambush Maths class 10, or you can see the book also, Modern's ABC of Maths class 10. See question number 2 1. In triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC, D and E are points on the sides AB and AC respectively, such that DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Also, AD by DB is equal 18 by 15. AD by DB equal 18 by 15. Look here, AD by DB equal 18 by 15 and AE equal 4 centimeter. This AE is given 4 centimeter. If we want, we can write here 4 centimeter. This is given. Find EC. We have to find this EC. So this question we can solve by using basic proportionality theorem directly. Look this, in basic proportionality theorem, if DE is parallel to BC in the triangle ABC, then AD by DB is equal AE by EC. The same relation we have to use. So we can write here solution in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC. This we get from the question. Also there is given AD by DB value 18 by 15. So we take the relation AD by DB is equal AE by EC from basic proportionality theorem. So we can write therefore AD by DB is equal AE by EC. AE by EC from basic proportionality theorem. So we write by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. And now see the value of AD by DB is given in the question 18 by 15. So write here 18 by 15. The value of AD by DB is equal value of AE also given 4 centimeter in the question. So here we can write 4 by EC. This EC we have to find EC. So EC will remain EC. And now try to cancel this 15 and 18. Cancel by 3 it is 5 and cancel by 3 it is what? 6. Even this 6 and 4 also we can cancel. Let us cancel by 2, it will be 3, and let us cancel by 2, it will be 2. The numerators and numerators we can cancel. So then we get cross multiplication do. 3 into EC, it is 3 EC is equal 5 into 2, it is 10. Or we will find EC equal what is 3 EC equal 10. So EC equal 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3. The question given in centimeter, so we can write this 10 by 3 centimeter. We can convert this in decimal also and we can keep it in this condition. So that is the answer. EC is equal 10 by 3 centimeter. Look at question number 2. Same question in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, D and E are points on the side AB and AC respectively, and DE parallel to BC. Given AD by DB 4 by 7, AD by DB, this value is given, and AE equal 2.4. AE is 2.4, we can write here 2.4 centimeter. Find AC, we have to find AC, the whole length. To find the whole length, first let us find this EC, same as question number 1. After getting EC, if you add C, AE plus EC, you will get AC. So question is find AC. It is easy to get. So use the same technique as we have used in question 2.1. The solution you see in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Therefore, AD by DV is given, so you will take the same relation AD by DV. AD by DV, according to basic proportionality theorem, AD by DV is equal AE by EC. The same relation we have used here. So we write AE by EC. Here we will write by basic proportional theorem, or value of AD by DV is 4 by 7. We can write here 4 by 7. Write the value of AD by DV here 4 by 7 is equal, AE value is given 2.4. Right here 2.4, and EC we will find first. So EC will remain as EC. Then or we do the cross multiplication, and before cross multiplication let us cancel this 4 and 2.4. Suppose we cancel by 4, this is 1, and if we consider it 24, it will be 6, but it is 2.4 after the decimal one number. So here also we can write after decimal one number. So before 6 we can put a point. So when we cancel 2.4 by 4, it is 0.6, or we can say 0.6. Divide by 4, 1. 24 divided by 4 will be 6. Then 2.4, so it can be 0.6. And now cross multiply. 1 into EC, it is EC. And then this side multiply 7 into 0.6. 7 into 0.6, if we multiply 6 into 7, 42. And then after the decimal one number, here will be decimal, centimeter. This is our value of EC. But the question asked to find AC. So next we will write, therefore AC is equal. Look at the picture. AC equal, we can write AE plus EC. AE plus EC we can write. AE plus EC. Then what is the value of AE? AE is 2.4. 2.4 plus EC we have calculated 4.2. 4.2. So add this 2.4 plus 4.2, it will be 6.6. Question given in centimeter, so we can write here centimeter. That is the answer of the sum. So when it is to find the value of AC, suppose if we can find EC, here AE is given 2.4. So if we add AE plus EC, we can get AC. So that technique we have done. So let us proceed to question number 3. So question number 3.1, in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. AD is x centimeter. Here we can write AD x centimeter. DB x minus 2 centimeter. Here we can write DB x minus 2 centimeter. AE x plus 2 centimeter. We can write here AE x plus 2 centimeter. And EC equal x minus 1. Here we can write EC is x minus 1 centimeter. Find the value of x. We have to find the value of x from this question. So we use the same basic proportionality theorem. So we can write in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. This is given, DE parallel to BC. So By basic proportionality theorem, it will be AD by DB is equal AE by EC. Already we have learned, so we can write therefore AD by DB is equal AE by EC. We write here by basic proportionality theorem. Now we put the value of AD. What is? It is x centimeter, so we just write x. DB is what? X minus 2. We write here x minus 2 is equal, write the value of AE, it is x plus 2, here is, and value of EC is x minus 1, right here x minus 1. After then do the cross multiplication. So this side multiply x by x minus 1. So we can write here x into x minus 1 is equal, this side multiply x minus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 2, x plus 2. Then next line will be multiply this by x, x into x, it is x square, minus x into 1, it is x, is equal x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. We can use the formula a minus b into a plus b. It is a square, it is x square, minus b square is 2 square, 2 square. So the next line, this x square is plus and this x square also plus. Left side and right side we can cancel them. The similar terms and similar sign and same value. Only x square, this also x square. So x square plus, left side and right side you can cancel. So now remain our minus x equal minus 2 square. So let us do it. Okay, do it here. So minus x is equal minus 2 square multiplied. 2 into 2 is 4. So what will happen next is this minus and this minus will cancel. So we get x equal 4. Here we can write therefore x is equal 4. Question given in centimeter, we have to write the answer in centimeter. So we can write their answer is centimeter, 4 centimeter. Look the question number 3-2 in the same way. Same way, the sum will be little lengthy. So we write the same in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. So according to basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB, can write therefore AD by DB is equal AE by EC, AE by EC. We can write here by BPT, basic proportional theorem. Therefore, put the values of AD, it is 4x minus 3 and DB 5x minus 3 is equal AE 4x minus 3 and EC is 3x minus 1. And then we have to do the cross multiplication. So just do cross multiplication, or this side multiply or this side multiply, any side can multiply first. Let us multiply this side first. So 5x minus 3 multiply by 4x minus 4x. Here is a little mistake as I see, dB is 5x and AE is I think there is some mistake in the question, or I have written wrong. 8x minus 7, question number 3-2. There was little mistake in writing the value of AD. It should be 8x minus 7. 8x minus 7. So here AD is 8x minus 7. So in putting the values, AD is 8x minus 7. Here is 8x minus 7. So re for this. And then dB is 5x minus 3 is equal Then AE is 4x minus 3 and EC is 3x minus 1. Now do the cross multiplication. Any side we can do. Let us multiply this side. 5x minus 3 into 4x minus 3 is equal. Then this side will be 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1. This and this will multiply. Next is do the multiplication. Multiply this. This multiply by 5x. 5x into 4x, it is 20x square. 5x into minus 3 minus 15x, minus 3 into 4x minus 12x, then minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9 is equal, this side also multiply 8x into 3x, 24x square, 8x into minus 1 minus 8x, and then minus 7 into 3x minus 21x, minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7. And now 20x square, the similar terms add, minus 15x minus 12x, these are like terms, add them, minus 27x if we add them, plus 9 is equal, this is 24x square, and similarly we do minus 8x minus 21x is minus 29x plus 7, and now make the right hand side 0, make the right hand side 0, so it will be 20x square minus 27x plus 9 is bring it left side, minus 24x square, bring it left side, it will be plus 29x, bring it left side, it is minus 7 is equal 0. Then next is similar terms we will add or subtract. So 20x square minus 24x square, 20x square minus 24x square, if we subtract them, it will be minus 4x square, minus 4x square minus 27x plus 29x, it will be plus 2x, the bigger is plus, so here is plus, then plus 9 minus 7 will be plus 2 is equal 0. And next line, you see, we can make this equation simpler dividing all the terms by 2. See, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So it will be minus 2x square plus 1x plus 1 is equal 0. Also divide by 2, it will be 0 only. And 2x square having a minus sign, so let us multiply both sides by minus. So what will happen? This will be plus 2x square, then minus x, this will be minus 1 is equal 0. Now this part we have to factorize by splitting the middle term, So let the factorization I do here, so this 2 into 1 is 2, so from that we make the middle term 1x, so we take 2x minus x, it will be 1x, so writing like this, or 2x square minus 2x plus 1x, you see minus 2x plus 1x, it will be minus x, then this minus 1 is equal 0, then or from the first two terms you take 2x common, so it will remain x minus 1, divide this 2x by 2x, 1 minus, from this and this only 1 is common, so divide by 1 x, and here divide by 1, it will be 1 only, minus into minus, it will be plus 1 is equal 0. Next line, this inside the bracket, this and this are same, this and this, here is plus, sorry, this is plus, plus into minus, it will be minus, this should come same, so x minus 1 and x minus 1 is common, we take it common, here is 2x plus 1 remain is equal 0. So from here we can get x minus 1 equal 0, that means x will be plus 1, and from here we will get 2x is equal minus 1, so x will be minus 1 by 2. Now this value of x we cannot take minus because it will give us the length of the side is minus. That is not possible. So what we do, we reject x is equal minus 1 by 2 because that is negative value, minus iv, negative value, because length of a side cannot be negative. Therefore we take x is equal this value 1 question given in centimeter, so we can write it centimeter. That will be the answer of the sum. So this sum, you see, after putting the values of x and after the multiplication, it changes into a quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation we do here by the method of factorization. We solve by the method of factorization. So we get the value of x1, we get the value of x minus 1 by 2. Now we cannot take the negative value because length of a triangle cannot be negative. So we write here, but we reject x equal minus 1 by 2. This because minus iv, negative value. So we take x equal 1 and question given in centimeter. So x equal 1 centimeter. That will be our answer. So thank you for today. We will meet in the next class.